We gave them 1 year. When we tried to correct them, they sent policemen to kill our boys. We allowed them to go ahead with their plan. Now we have realized they have no plan. Every weekend, every Sunday, there is a new plan. The last week, William Ruto came to Parliament. He told us, when you come to Suba North, a gorogoro of maize is at 60 shillings. Where is that gorogoro of 60 shillings? William Ruto came to Parliament and told us that the fishermen of Lake Victoria, they are those who started with nets, and then because of Hustler Fund, now they own ships, now they own Mende Madongo Dongo. Are they here? Ruto Riambo Kosok Riambi. And taxation is not the way to build a nation. In fact, we have heard from the grapevine that they have now run out of ideas on what to tax. Now, they are targeting something called sitting allowance tax. Nonauru sitting allowance tax. Ingeo sitting allowance tax. En moromano kach owero. Ni kata dongo kata mukore totindo wara. Winjo kama kelo no. Ochopo kama koro. Jokman gisianda madongo dongo. Machalo miligini. Dipoko keto suru gik magibete ka. Ruto aende ama siende. Sasa Sifuna ni SG wangu na ni mwenzangu, na because the SG of the party, Secretary General of ODM, and my deputy whip in the Senate and a ranking member of the Public Accounts Committee, Senator Sifuna.